Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, and this is kind of vlog style today, I've noticed, and we are going to be doing a room tour today because I have had so many requests to do a room tour, and because I changed my room a lot since I had a queen bed, now I have a twin, so I just wanted to do a tour. Sorry I look like a fetus, I just woke up and I just had this idea because it's Sunday. It's my upload day, so I just wanted to film a room tour. So I'm in my bathroom right now because I have a mirror so I can see myself in it, so I don't have a flip out screen. So let's go to my room. So yeah, so this is the entrance to my room. I have this really cute sign that says Madeline, and it says my birthday and how much I weighed. I was 7 pounds 9 ounces and 20 and what is that? A fourth, I don't know, 20 inches, and I was born on the 23rd of October. And then I just have this cute little ballet picture because my mom likes ballet, so she put that outside my door. And then it says Maddie Avenue because that's my name and I thought it was cute. And then I have this really cute sunflower thing. Sorry, there's crap. I literally just cleaned my room and I'm so proud of myself. I organized everything. So I have this really cute sunflower thing. I could do on how to make this because this is a really old vintage like Dr. Pepper thing. And I just glitterized it, and I put a flower in there, and then I have a little Velociraptor. So the entrance to my room. This is the overview of my room. I have music playing. It's kind of tiny. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about it, but I think it's fine. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because it's kind of loud. So when you first walk into my room, and you look to your right, I have my trash can. I literally kind of stole it from my bathroom because this is my bathroom trash can because it's bedazzled and stuff. So I put it in here, and then I just moved my room trash can into there. And then I have a little Scentsy to heat up my, I have this really nice leather scented wax, and it smells so good and I love it. It smells amazing, and I have that burning right now. And then to the left of that I have my desk, my vanity, my desk, whatever you want to call it, and I just have a mirror, which is really nice because it turns on lights and stuff. And then my makeup over here, this is the makeup I use on my face, like lip glosses and stuff and foundation. And then behind my door, I didn't show you guys this, I have a map because I went to Africa. So there's this really cute thing over here, and it's a little push pin with a heart on it because I went to Morogoro, and it's right where that is, so that's where I went. And then I just have pictures of everybody that I saw. And then I have a poster of a camp I went to, and everybody signed that. And then my ID is over here, and yeah. And then above that I have 3 posters of, I used to do a community theater, it's called WAG. And I have 3 posters up there that I did. I did a lot in Anchor Gables and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And then I have the cutest sign that says Drama Queen, and I am a drama queen. So yeah. And then yeah, over here to the left, I organized all this stuff. I'm very happy. This is not organized. I was gonna organize it, but I decided not to. So my first drawer is filled with everyday makeup. I have a James Charles palette, I have a Pure palette, a Morphe palette, and then I just have random stuff under here. And then under here is I have makeup that I don't really use a lot, and then I have nail stuff. And then I have a palette over here, and then I just have random stuff like makeup bags to travel with. And then I have my calendar. It's a Walking Dead calendar because I'm obsessed with Walking Dead. So I just have a Walking Dead calendar, and then I have a weird magnetic board, and then I have this really cute thing. My grandma made this for me, and it's really special to me, so I love it. And also in my room, I have these lights going around, and then I also have fairy lights. This is made out of pizza boxes, which is so freaking cool. Like I'm actually obsessed. So that's really cool. And then above that I have this, it's a picture of me and my mom when she had me, and then this Baby Mine the song lyrics. And then I have a little desk over here. I keep my perfumes, my flip calendar, a clock. So like every single night I always look at the time, and like my phone isn't there when I'm sleeping. It's over here charging. So I always get up and look at the clock to see what time it is. And then I have all my perfumes. I have sunscreen back there, and then another one of those Coke things that I made. And then I have a candle back here. It's a Christmas candle, so it's flipped. And then under here I just have books and then books because I keep my books in here. And then this is a duvet cover for my bed. I don't have it on right now because I was too lazy. And then this is my bed. It's a trundle bed. So underneath this bed, you can't really see it, but there's a little sheet right there. That is leading to another bed. So I have 2 beds in here total, which is really nice when I have friends coming over, or if my brother is a wimp and he wants to sleep in here, he can. And then I have a little nightstand. I have water, a lavender candle, so if I want to light that before I go to bed, it's really nice. And then I have my retainer, Invisalign when I sleep. And that's my bed. It's really comfortable and I love it. And my dog sleeps in that little corner. So that's that blanket. She sleeps there right by my head. And my window, it's really cute. I just have little things that I made. And then over here I have my purses. So, hold on. I have my purses, so I keep all my purses up there. And then I have a little marionette doll I got from the state fair. And then down here, these are my pillows that go on my bed when I have my duvet cover on. And I have a lantern because my power went out recently, so I just had that by there. And then all my camera equipment. And then I have, this is like so weird. I'm like, Mom, give me a new hamper, but she has refused to. And this is a hamper that I had like when I was 5, and I still have it. And then I have a radio player because I listen to classical music when I go to sleep. And a nightlight because that's the only light I sleep with. And in my room, I have these 2 huge tubes. I have a ton of stuffed animals. I used to be obsessed with stuffed animals. I still like them, but I'm not as obsessed anymore. So I have 2 tubes storing those stuffed animals right here. And then down here, I have a ton of stuffed animals as well. And then I have my ukulele. Her name is Maya. Yeah, I named my ukulele. Don't judge. And then I just have really cute posters. I have an owl thing that I painted at one of my parties. I have a little lizard that my friend bought for me at Hobby Lobby because it's on sale. And then I have a poster of this girl I met, Rachel Platten. She sings Fight Song. And then I have my swim team pictures and famous people I met over there. And this is my dresser. Sorry, my tripod is blocking it. But this is my dresser. I have all my clothes. I have t-shirts, pajamas, leggings, underwear, lingerie, and I just keep all that in there, and socks and stuff. And then up here I have my Echo Dot. I love it so much. It's my baby, and I'm obsessed with it. I would recommend getting this one because it's louder. And then over here I have pictures of me as a baby and a picture of me with my brother. And then I just have workout bands when I work out. And then I have a script here. And I have a journal. And I have all my theater trophies, which I'm very proud of. And then I have a random baggie, and then I have a wine bottle. I don't drink wine, it's just Walking Dead, so I was obsessed. And then one of my dad's students painted a picture of my dog, so I love that. And then I have a little snow globe. These are all Valentine's, so yeah, hint the Valentine's blanket I have. And then I have flowers that I got from Seussical because I was tech and they got me flowers. And then I have a tiara. I actually love this tiara, it's so pretty. So I have the tiara. And then I have a pile of stuffed animals and my puppy. Penny, say hi. Penny. Hey. Penny. Wanna go outside? Hey. Why being so evil? Penny! Whatever, she's sleeping. So, and then in here, this is my closet. I have 2 posters up there. These are my high school musicals I've done. Plays / musicals I've done. I have signatures on the back of that one, and then this one's just plain. So I'm gonna put all of my posters around my room. And then this is my closet. It's like not really organized, but at the same time it is organized. I got it done by the Container Store, so I have a ton of stuff. I have all my shoes up there. Those are pumps and boots up there, and then tennis shoes. And then my closet is kind of color organized, I mean. And then I have dresses, jackets, stuff over there. And this is where I have all my shoes. I have a ton of shoes. I love my shoes. So that's my closet. And then I made these little banners over there that I have in my room. They're really cute and I love them. Focus, come on. Focus. So that's really cute. And then I just have a billboard that has stuff on it that I've accomplished and stuff. I just have random stuff on there. It's really cute. I have a rose. This one's from Phantom of the Opera. I'm like not kidding. This is from Phantom of the Opera and I turned it upside down and it's been there for about 6 years. And then I have this little rose. I don't really know where it's from, but I just have it up there. And then I have a rose over there. I kind of don't know where they're from, but I have my swim ribbons and I have pictures of me and my friends. I have pictures of me and my dad. I have pictures of me and my other friends. I have notes from my teachers. I have little things. I have a Christmas list. I need to erase that. And then this is a little nightstand that I have by my, oh yeah, I forgot this part. This is my dog's toys because she loves her toys. And it's just like a locker stand with a teddy bear on it. And then this is my fan. Turn on every night because it gets hot in here, and I love it cold in my room when I sleep. And then I have my diffuser. I have my favorite candle ever. It's called Prosperous Snow, and it's a leather base, and it has like really nice snowy. And then I have all my playbills right here. I have a ton of playbills. If you guys want to see a collection, I can. And then I have more Bath and Body Works products, my lotions, my lavender, and this is like icebreakers that people can have. I don't really care. And yeah, so that's my room kind of. Oh yeah, and over here I have my light switch. I don't ever use this light switch because I always use this when I turn off my lights. So I just pull this, it'll turn off my lights, and it'll also leave my fan on. So yeah, and then I have this ornament, Michonne from Walking Dead, and then my dog that just passed, my lab, and then Penny. And I have a little Swahili word chart that I got from Africa, and I try to study that every single day. And then I have this thing, and it says, oh no, I'm under attack. Oh, and then I have this speaker that I sometimes will turn on if I want to like jam, but I have my Echo Dot, so like I don't really need that. So that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour, and if you guys did, leave a thumbs up and put on your post notifications and subscribe so you guys can get notifications anytime I upload a video. Bye guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.